Recharge your Alpha or TT10 device. Compatible with Alpha and TT10. Includes USB cable and AC adapter. Package dimensions: 15. 494 lx5. 842 hx7. 366 w centimeters. Power and recharge your Alpha and TT10 dog tracking and training devices from any standard U.S. wall outlet with this adapter cable. The product is multiple voltage compatible. That voltage range is 100 to 240 volts. Top reviews from the United States. For some reason the aftermarket AC charges don't work correctly when charging the Garmin GPSs. I bought 2 different ones and neither worked correctly, and I was afraid they might harm my Garmin GPS, so I contacted Garmin and they recommend this unit when charging with AC. It is a bit spendy, $22, but it does what it is supposed to do, and now I don't have any worries about my Unity being fried by some piece of junk.